Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add video slider in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page and we are going to add video slider. Now you see add element. Also here you see add element. So click on it and then you see multiple option. So we are in video and music and then you see when we hover on video and music, you see multiple option Wix video, and then in Wix video you see compact, classic, grid. So this is a video slider, and then you see stripe, big slider, small slider. So this is our video slider. So you can select according to requirement. Now drag and drop like this. Now adding Wix video. Now you see video slider added. So click on it and then you see manage video. So again click on it. So we are in dashboard pop-up and then you see add your video to get started. So you can upload video from your system. Now you see computer, so click on it. So you can upload video from here. And then you see embed any video from YouTube. If you want, you can add or paste your video playlist or channel URL, and then you see live stream. So we are in video library. So this is the live stream section and then you see channel. So click on it and then you see channel. So we have one channel. If you want, you can create new channel. Now you see from YouTube feed or channel. Now you see all videos. Your videos are auto added to this default channel. Now close. Again click on it and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in Wix video pop-up. Now you see manage videos, channel, single video. So you can select according to requirement. If we select single video, now you see layout, classic, compact, grid, small slider, big slider. So you can set setting according to requirement, and then you see stretch to full width, we enable. Now disable. Now you see size reduce. So when we enable, size increase, full width, and then you see position, navigation arrow, outside, show arrows, on hover or always, video thumbnail, show play button, display. Now you see multiple option, player, design, text. So you can set color scheme according to requirement and then click on publish. So you can add your videos. So this is our video slider in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.